Hi everyone! So I understand that not everyone is able to come to the Children's Museum this weekend, but don't worry, we can bring the Children's Museum to you. Now today, I have some fun science experiments. In fact, we're going to be doing some freezing cold science, and I have a friend to help me out. You just might recognize him. Come on in. All right, is everyone ready for some freezing cold science? So I understand that not everyone has ice powers, so I brought something with me to help out. What do you say? Should we get started? Perfect. Now, I will need my safety glasses and my safety gloves to do science. I brought with me today some dry ice. Has anyone ever heard of that? You may have seen some at the grocery store. Now, do you think dry ice is very hot? Oh, do you think it might be very cold? And you would be right. So let me show you what it looks like. This right here is dry ice, and it's frozen carbon dioxide. So normally ice in our freezer is made out of water, but this is a frozen gas. And unlike water, it doesn't melt. It goes straight from a solid to a gas. And that's something called sublimation. Can you say that with me? Sublimation. Very good. Now today, we are going to make something called ghost bubbles. Oh, but don't worry. It's not scary. It's just science. So first, we're going to prepare some water. I already have some in my beaker here, in my graduated cylinder. Thank you, Olaf. And then next, we're going to put in some soap. Do you think I should put in a tiny bit? Or maybe a lot? Let's put in a lot. Let's see here. All right, I think that's enough. So if I have my dry ice here and it's giving off a gas, what do you think will happen if I put it into soapy water? Should we give it a try? Oh, all right. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Freezing cold science. Oh, it's making bubbles. Now these are ghost bubbles because if you take them, they look like a ghost. Well, thank you very much, everyone, and thank you, Olaf, for joining me for some freezing cold science. We hope that we get to see you soon.